Okay, definitely my biggest tomato. Look at that thing. Feel the love. Wow, these things are great. I've had so many of them already. I can't say enough good things about these Amana oranges. They are so much fun. A lot of them are putting on some really big fruit. Look at the difference between the Amana orange and the pineapple in the coloring. They're both very sweet tomatoes. I love the orange and yellow slicers. So that's a DX52. It's on a little bit of a smaller side, but usually they've been putting out some really good ones. Both of these will be on my list next year. Amana orange, giant Amana orange with some love, and a DX52. Both of those are amazing. This one I don't want to get squished, so I'm going to go put it right on my counter right now. Okay. So it doesn't get squished in the basket. The DX52 tomatoes I got over at Kuahara's in Sandy are sure putting on some beautiful big slicers. And they taste amazing. Pineapple tomatoes will always be on my list. Look at the coloring. Isn't it gorgeous? The flavor's amazing. This one has like 2 stuck together. I've got quite a bit off of this plant. These are the pineapple. Look at that pretty one. Got a lot more to harvest. I can't tell which one is a pumpkin and which is a tomato. There's some pumpkins and my beast of a Kentucky beefsteak. Gorgeous.
That's nice.
Ethan, look how big that thing is.
It's my fist.
Put it up to your face. Look how huge it is.
Hi.
Oh my goodness.
I can hide behind it.
You could hide behind it. Is it a pumpkin or is it a tomato?
I think it's a tomato.
Put it to your face, Ethan.
Look how cool. All right, Kentucky beefsteak won the race. Thanks, bud. I got quite a few pineapple tomatoes and Black Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. Look at those things. Oh my goodness. What a fun day. What a blast. This is all just the front yard. We are September 9th, Utah Zone 6. I can barely see my mountains. I'll get you a better shot. I love it here. All from this spot here. And from the back over there by my porch, I have filled up an entire bin of tomatoes. Yes, I love my orange slicers. Can you tell? I knew the front yard would easily fill up one of these bins. Most of these are Amana orange. I have lots of pineapple, I have some of those Black Beauties, and I thought the Amana orange won the race, but look at this beast! Oh my gosh! Look at the beast! I have never grown, ever, in 15 plus years, a bigger tomato. This is a Kentucky beefsteak, and I've got to find a scale, because that's just insane. So cool! I was able to get quite a few red tomatoes off of a plant in the middle that I couldn't see before. You got to see the comparison to the beast. But I couldn't find the tag. So I don't know what they are. I'll freeze them, they'll make a good sauce. The Lila Sari is on my list. Right now I only got 3, but throughout the season I've had quite a few more. And goodbye, beast. So here's those large red stripe ones I got out of the garden today. This one was I think yesterday or the day before, and this was the one you saw in the video. So those are giant and beautiful. These are vintage wine, and they were labeled vintage wine in the front yard. So they're very similar. I think I could probably call that a vintage wine. What do you think? It's only twice the size. And then this one over here is also a vintage wine. So those two are vintage wines. Isn't that fun? So, look how big. I haven't had a chance to get a picture with Lindsay. Our day's been pretty busy. So I will do that tomorrow before this thing gets eaten. All right, see ya.